We are flying from Kilimanjaro.
We going along with the philosophy of walk high, sleep low.
Garam pani coming for us to wash our face and everything. Like मतलब इससे ज़्यादा luxurious trek पे भाई मैं कभी नहीं गया.
Here we are, Machame campsite, elevation of 2,830 meters.
तो हम लोग निकल चुके हैं यार किलिमंजारो के लिए और ये पीछे एक पूरी टीम है हमारे साथ. अब पता नहीं ये लोग सिर्फ हमारे साथ हैं या फिर ये सबके साथ हैं. देखो हमारा तो प्लान सीधा था कि ये पहाड़ पे बिना किसी मदद के खुद से सारे टेंट वेंट कैरी करना है, चढ़ जाना है जैसे हिमालय पे करता हूँ. लेकिन यहाँ पे जो गवर्नमेंट रूल्स हैं दे डोंट अलाउ to people to go by themselves. Kilimanjaro is, you know, one of the crazy 7 summits of the world.
Hi guys, so we are at the starting point for the Kilimanjaro trek. We had some unexpected things happen in the last few hours. So the company that we signed up for the trek with is called Viva Africa, and I was corresponding with the assistant receptionist for the past 2 weeks, and she made it sound like it was a group tour. The date was already determined. She did say it was determined and that we could join the group, and turns out there's no group, it's just us. And we're surrounded by other companies that have groups. So I told the guides and the trek leaders that, hey, we were told we were going to be in a group, we want to socialize and meet people. And they're like, yeah, you can meet people while you're walking. So I'm a little disappointed. Devang's disappointed.
I'm already feeling cold. ठंडा तो है यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन अभी जब चलना शुरू करेंगे तो उतनी ठंड नहीं लगेगी. ये जो गेट आप देख रहे हो, दिस इज़ द मचामे गेट. ये मचामे साइड से हम लोग ट्रैक शुरू कर रहे हैं. मैं रेडी हूँ एकदम बढ़िया तरीके से, एंड ये दो हमारे गाइड्स हैं और हम एक फ़ोटो खिंचवाने वाले हैं साथ में.
We're the last ones to leave, even though there was like 100 people here just 2 hours ago.
What is this place?
Machame Gate.
Yeah.
And it's the station for where the luggages for porters.
Yeah, and the plastic too?
Yeah, and the plastics and also the waste.
So no one can take plastic up there?
No one they can take
That's
plastic.
a very good thing. Very good thing, my friend.
Karibu sana.
Wait, what?
So it's kind of an organized trekking that we are seeing at Kilimanjaro. And we have toilets here.
Jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni, wageni, mwakaribishwa Kilimanjaro. Hakuna matata, tembea pole pole, hakuna matata. Tumeanza Machame, hakuna matata. Tunaenda Nashira, hakuna matata. Tutafika Baranko, hakuna matata.
Good job. Here we are, Machame campsite, elevation of 2,830 meters.
Wow.
It's day 1 done.
Perfect.
We are actually feeling great and we are excited getting here.
Yes.
You're welcome. Karibu sana.
Karibu sana.
Hakuna matata.
Hakuna matata. मेरी घड़ी बोल रही है 9,500 फीट. ठीक है, तो पहुंच गए कैंप साइट में. ये है अपना अड्डा, ये है अपनी कैंप साइट. अब पता नहीं कौन सा टेंट है यार.
Come into my home. Look at this. Kitchen table, chairs, honey. Real honey. Peanut butter, sauce. Oh my god. Tea. A
That's-
big tent.
That's where we sleep.
Wow. It was really beautiful. And you guys are
जी हाँ, मैं इंडिया से आया हुआ एक राजा हूँ, राजा रानी माउंटेन किलिमंजारो में.
So we've been treated like royalty today. When we first arrived, they brought us some tea. They brought us a beautiful cucumber soup, which was spiced really nicely, I thought. And then they brought us this fruit salad with a big serving of potatoes. They brought Devang some fish. And we also have a pot of vegetable stew. And I don't know how in the world we're gonna finish all this, but I'm telling you, that waiter has come in 10 times. He's more attentive than any waiter I've seen in my whole life.
Morning. So it's been a wonderful day. This has been a wonderful campsite. बड़े आराम से मैं सोया हूँ. Jocelyn had a tough time. I'll show that over the video. She couldn't sleep well. Did you guys sleep well?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, like babies?
Like baby.
Oh yeah.
Today we go to Shira Cave, but it's not. Today it's very short.
Yeah, only 5 kilometers.
Yeah, only 7 kilometers.
Oh, 7 kilometers.
Yes.
Okay.
Only 7 kilometer.
Okay.
But it's little bit steep
Okay.
on the way. Yeah.
So we
Pole.
yeah. So we go pole with like halke, slowly, and this is a family of lions. So I'll see you on the way. Bye. इस क्लाउड के पीछे यहाँ पे कहीं किलिमंजारो है. कुछ देर पहले दिखा था. I'll show you guys. तो ऐसा हुआ.
The reality, you can't climb the Kilimanjaro when you are in Kenya.
Yeah.
Kilimanjaro, it's in Tanzania.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit of it is in Kenya.
No,
Nothing.
nothing. Because even the border from Kilimanjaro to Kenya, they have some kilometers.
Ah.
Yeah, before
So
meeting
they
the
just
border.
use it.
Yeah, so they use it for advertisement, but they are cheating many people from Europe. At Kilimanjaro, they are in Tanzania.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you climb when you are in Tanzania and not in Kenya.
Yeah.
जादू तेरी नजर कुछ वो तेरे न गए तू आगल या नाकल तू है मेरी किरण.
Surprise, motherfucker.
तो अभी जब कैंप साइट पहुंच गए तो दिन बड़ा इजी था. Nothing is impossible until it's done.
This is our second campsite. It's in a desert environment, a lot of big rocks. It has obsidian, which is the sharp black rock that people use to sharpen knives and make tools. And it has a lot of very low growing foliage, I'm sure because of the altitude. And it's cool, it reminds me of the California desert zone with the Joshua trees. We're going on a acclimatization walk, a short one.
तो वो है माउंट किलिमंजारो. अगले कुछ दिनों में हम चढ़ने वाले हैं. जॉसलिन को बड़ा फैसिनेटिंग लग रहा है, लेकिन अब क्या बताएं इनको कि कितने जंगल हिमालयाज में हमने इन केव्स में बिताए. तो जितनी वेजिटेशन यहाँ पे दिख रही है इससे और कम वेजिटेशन दिखेगी हमको आगे. जैसे हिमालय से ट्रांस हिमालय होते हैं ना, लद्दाख स्पीति के पहाड़, शायद वैसा सॉर्ट ऑफ जोन होगा जो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. जाके पता चलेगा. बाकी क्लाइंब के लिए रेडी है. दिखाता हूँ आपको रास्ते में क्या क्या दिखने वाला है. हाँ तो वी आर ऑलमोस्ट एट 13,200 फीट एंड वेजिटेशन ख़त्म हो गई यार. ये बड़े बड़े पत्थर आपको दिख रहे हैं, बोल्डर्स आपको दिख रहे हैं. इट्स बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन एंड वेजिटेशन के नाम पे ग्रास लाइक दिस. दैट्स ऑल. बट विल डिसेंड आफ्टर अ वाइल. लंच के बाद ना थोड़ा डिसेंड करना है, तो मे बी फिर वहाँ पे वेजिटेशन वापस आ जाए. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़. बट काफ़ी डेजर्टी फीलिंग आ रहा है. मैं दिखाता हूँ अपना. ऐसे बना हुआ हूँ मैं अभी. धूप बहुत तेज़ है और हवा भी बहुत तेज़ चल रही है. तो ये है हाल.
So this is day 3 of our trek, and this is an area that has a lot of lava that has turned into rocks. So Kilimanjaro is an active volcano. If you read online, a lot of places say it's dormant, but it's not. There's actually sulfur you can smell at the top. We've been told that it's not going to erupt. The last eruption was 2,000 years ago. But we'll see. So anyway, this is a very deserty location, a lot of huge, interesting shaped rocks, as well as small rocks. I found a bone recently, so I think there's some animals around here, but we haven't seen any. Very arid and dry.
फ्लावर टावर के नीचे हम लोगों का टेंट लगाया हुआ है और यहाँ पे हमारा लंच होगा, उसके बाद हम नीचे जाएंगे। कैंप साइट दिखने लग गई है और जॉर्जिन बड़ी खुश है। कल हमको वहाँ कहीं चढ़ना है ऊपर, फिर वहाँ से उधर, फिर वहाँ से पीक पे। ये पेड़ बड़े फैसिनेटिंग है यार। चलो कहाँ आप हमारे साथ चलोगे? 3, 2, 1 मैं आपको डायरेक्टली कैंप से ले आता हूँ, ठीक है? 3, 2, 1।
This is our third campsite. It's a little different from the others because we're surrounded by hills on all sides, and there's a little ledge, so make sure you don't walk off that ledge. There's some beautiful white flowers and some trees that almost look like palm trees. Pretty tropical looking for this area. The altitude is 3,900 meters. I have no knees left. They've been ground down and now it's just thigh on calf.
Jocelyn is getting evacuated.
Hakuna matata, shiraji wakafika. Hakuna matata, na matawa wale peta. Hakuna matata.